Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Hernandez, and I'm going to be going over this solving trigonometric equations, IXL, and we're going to be using the unit circle for this one. And solving pretty much probably brings to mind algebra and things like that. You know, doing the inverse and whatever you do to one side, do to the other type of thing. But this one is going to be a little bit different because we're going to be using the unit circle, and just keep in mind, like it's going to be asking for within a certain range, and so here it's asking between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. What is the value? So let me go ahead and put that here. Okay, so where's 0? Well, 0 degrees is right here. And where is 180 degrees? Well, 180 degrees is right here. So it's basically talking about like within this region here. And then the other part is the cosine of the cosine has to be negative 1 over 2. Now remember, when you're looking at these x and y values, the x value is going to be the cosine and the y value is going to be the sine. So really we're just looking for where the x value is negative 1 over 2. So over here these x values are positive, these x values are negative, so there's the negative 1 over 2. So this is the one we're looking for. And what we're looking to find is where what is that angle? And more specifically, there's a degree symbol. It's really subtle, but we're going to enter this in degrees. So here, for the cosine of negative 1 over 2, the degree would be 120 degrees. So if we put that in here, let's see, it should give us the answer. Okay, now this is a good one just because it's kind of complicated, but that's always good to kind of have as an example. So so the first question is, could be like, what does this mean, negative values? So you pretty much have to go back to what a angle looks like in standard position. So this first initial ray, because as an angle always has two rays, and so this initial ray is the positive x-axis. If you're looking at it as like the x and y axis, the initial ray on an angle in standard position is the positive x-axis. And anytime you're opening up counterclockwise, that's going to be a positive value. So this is what, positive 90 degrees. But if you're opening up and if you opened it up more, it will still be positive, right? So again, the angle in standard position opens up like this, so that's like 180 degrees and so on. So you could pretty much just open it up this way, and that's a positive degree. But what is a negative degree? Because this one, right, has a negative 90 degrees. So we're gonna start it off with the same initial ray as the positive x-axis, and instead of opening up counterclockwise this way, we're going to open it up clockwise, and that's going to be giving us the negative degree. So negative 90 degrees opens up 90 degrees clockwise, and so this would be negative 90. So if we put those together, we're talking about a couple of quadrants in the unit circle. So that would be, oh yeah, here it is. Okay, so negative 90 and 90. Well, 90 degrees is here. So 90 degrees is right here. But where is negative 90? Well, negative 90 would be pretty much down here. Where it's positive 270 degrees, that's also negative 90 degrees. Because imagine this initial ray opening up positive 90 and negative 90. So we're really talking about this this area over here. This would be the first quadrant, and then this would be the fourth quadrant of this, unit circle. So okay, so that's the first part. And we're looking for where the sign of again a degree is equal to 1, a positive 1. So here's a positive 1 here. Right here's a positive 1 for sine, and then none of these are 1. This is not a sign. This is not the sign of 1. So sine is going to be the y values, and this sign is negative 1. So that's not what we're looking for. Positive 1. So what sine value, what degree is equal to 1? Well, it looks like there's only one value where the sine is 1, and that's at 90 degrees within these this range here. So that's going to be 90. Alright, I think there might be two answers that, I'm not sure if there could be two answers. No, there's just one. Okay, so this would be the last one. Let's see. Okay, so within let's see, 0 degrees and 180 degrees. Let's see here. So I'm going to get rid of all this. So these are both positive degrees. So 0 degrees is here, 180 degrees is here. So we're looking for something over here. And we're looking for where the cosine is equal to 1, positive 1. So again, cosine is the x value. So where's the x value? Positive 1. This one here, that has a positive 1. There's no positive 1 here for cosine. So cosine, nope, this is a negative 1. So it's going to be this one. And between 0 and 180 degrees, well, there's only 1 degree here where the cosine value is 1, and that's 0 degrees. Okay, so let me see here. Alright, now this would this stuff is more complicated, but I'm gonna probably end up doing another video for this. Alright, well, take care and have a good one.